I'm Jeff Liberman, a Southern California law enforcement veteran and real estate education provider for Orange County Realtors. The nature of the real estate profession places realtors in vulnerable situations. You're often working alone in vacant properties with complete strangers. Unfortunately, realtors are often victims of violent crime on the job, including robbery, physical and sexual assault, kidnapping, and unfortunately, murder. In fact, the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics indicates that real estate has one of the highest levels of homicide of any profession. You can reduce your risk of becoming a victim by acknowledging the inherent risks of your occupation and empowering yourself with the mindset that you're going to create a hostile work environment for criminals. Visualize your safety as a series of concentric circles that provide barriers of security that a criminal must penetrate to harm you. The outermost layer is situational awareness. Think of it as your radar that's constantly scanning for danger over the horizon. You can greatly enhance your situational awareness by subscribing to social media sites of all the local law enforcement agencies in the areas you live and work. These police and sheriff's departments constantly post crime alerts and trends, safety tips, and other important information that give you insight into your community. Additionally, sign up for news alerts from local media outlets. A breaking crime alert might provide you with the information and exact warning you need to avoid danger during a showing or an open house. The next ring of security is your process of gathering protective intelligence. Have a personal and office policy of vetting prospective clients before establishing a professional relationship with them. Demanding a photo identification creates a barrier that dissuades many offenders from targeting realtors. Criminals almost always prefer to maintain anonymity. When you receive a copy of a prospect's identification, use one or more of the free online resources like the California Megan's Law Sex Offender Registry and social media sites to check their criminal, civil, and character issues that you should be aware of before you meet them face to face. Verify the identity of prospective clients by having them meet you at the office or at either of the Orange County Realtors locations before conducting a showing. Have them fill out a new client information sheet and introduce them to a colleague. This process is likely to dissuade criminals because they now have created both a paper trail and witnesses. Establishing office safety policies is a vital layer of security. You must have procedures from protecting personal information of employees and clients, for preventing workplace violence, and responding to medical emergencies, and especially for supervising agents who are in the field when they're conducting showings and open houses. You and your colleagues should have a process to provide backup for agents who want somebody with them when they feel uncomfortable with a client or situation. Even though real estate is a highly competitive profession, the key to agent safety is collaboration. Help create a culture of safety by offering to accompany a colleague on a showing. They'll return the favor when you need the help. The final layer of security is taking responsibility for your own personal safety. Sharpen your intuition by staying informed about crime trends and acknowledge that your profession carries inherent risks. Start visualizing your responses to dangerous situations you may encounter and give yourself permission to leave immediately upon first indication of trouble. Creating mental blueprints before a crisis gives you an automatic reaction if you encounter a life-threatening scenario in the future. Keep yourself in good physical shape. If you carry a weapon for self-defense, practice with it so you can access it and deploy it under stress, and wear clothing and footwear that you can run or fight in if necessary. Finally, sign up for one of my safety awareness and self-defense courses at Orange County Realtors to learn more about how to stay safe in your hazardous profession. By implementing the strategy of defense in depth, maintaining situational awareness, conducting protective intelligence checks of prospective clients, implementing office safety policies, and taking responsibility for your own personal safety, you're creating a hostile work environment for criminals and helping create a culture of safety in the real estate industry.